Here's how to hard reset your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A hard reset, also called a force restart, forces your iPhone to reboot. It does not delete your data and is useful when your iPhone is frozen or not responding. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo. Then release. Press and hold the home button and the power button at the same time. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears. Then release both buttons. A hard reset will not erase your iPhone. If your phone keeps freezing, you may need a software update or a full reset. Use this if your screen is frozen, apps won't open, or the iPhone won't turn off normally. If hard reset doesn't work, charge your iPhone for a few minutes and try again. And that's it. That's how you hard reset an iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.